Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive on Interstate 95 in Connecticut, beginning at mile 98, heading south. This portion of I-95 is called the Jewish War Veterans Memorial Highway. This section of highway predates the interstate highway system and opened in 1943. Throughout most of this video, we'll actually be traveling due west, and US Highway 1 runs very close by to the south. As you can see, the weather is starting to go downhill again after half a day of sunshine. We see a rare left-hand exit providing access to US 1 and State Route 349. Then just ahead at exit 86, we see a green sign that says US Sub Base, referring to the Naval Submarine Base New London, which is actually located here in the town of Groton. We're temporarily joined by US 1 to cross the Gold Star Memorial Bridge over the Thames River. And if you're British, yes, they pronounce it Thames here. The bridge is the largest structure in the state, boasting over 1 million square feet of deck area, and it holds the title of the longest bridge in the state at 6,000 feet. It accommodates an average of 117,000 vehicles daily across its 11 highway lanes. Although commonly referred to as a single bridge, it's actually a pair of twin bridges. The original southbound span opened in 1943 and the northbound span was added in 1973. After the new northbound span became operational, the southbound span was reconstructed and reopened in 1975. Together, these spans form a critical transportation link for the region. At the top of the bridge, we cross into the city of New London, with a population of 27,367 as of the 2020 census. New London is a historic seaport city and port of entry located at the mouth of the Thames River, where it meets Long Island Sound. The city is home to several prominent institutions, including the United States Coast Guard Academy, Connecticut College, Mitchell College, and the Williams School. The Coast Guard station in New London serves as the home port for the cutter Coho and the tall ship Eagle. Today, the city is seeing a resurgence in maritime activity. The State Pier, located south of the Gold Star Memorial Bridge, is being redeveloped to support offshore wind energy projects, positioning New London as a hub for this growing industry. We enter the town of Waterford, with a population of 19,571 at the 2020 census. Waterford has a retail-driven economy centered around chain stores, mini-malls, and the Crystal Mall. The town also features a mix of family-owned delicatessens and restaurants that contribute to its local charm. Waterford is home to J-Pro Sports, a company specializing in sports equipment for baseball, basketball, and tennis. Another significant presence is Dominion Energy's Millstone nuclear power plant, which plays a key role in the region's energy supply. The plant originally consisted of 3 reactors, with the first constructed between 1966 and 1970. Although the first reactor has since been decommissioned, the remaining 2 reactors continue to generate electricity for many New England communities. We enter the town of East Lyme, with a population of 18,693 as of the 2020 census. East Lyme's topography is defined by rolling hills and lush valleys shaped by glacial activity during the last ice age. In the town's eastern and central regions, hills rise to elevations between 250 and 350 feet above sea level. The highest point, reaching 500 feet, is located on an unnamed hill within the Nahantec State Forest in the town's northwest corner. East Lyme is particularly scenic in the summer, with vibrant greenery and blooming trees enhancing its natural beauty. On its eastern and southern borders, the town is shaped by tidewater. The tidal Nahantec River on the east flows into Nahantec Bay, which forms part of Long Island Sound and defines East Lyme's southern edge. These bodies of water not only contribute to the town's picturesque charm, but also play a key role in its ecosystem and recreational appeal. Here, I-95 turns to the southwest and joins the Connecticut Turnpike, officially the Governor John Davis Lodge Turnpike. Going back the other way, the turnpike continues past I-95 onto the I-395 spur for 36 miles to the town of Plainfield, then an additional 4 miles on State Route 695 to the Rhode Island state line. I-395 totals out at 66 miles, heading north all the way back to I-90 in Massachusetts. We enter the town of Old Lyme, and we'll wrap up today's video at mile 83. Thanks for watching. We'd like to give special thanks to our channel members listed on the end screen. You too could help support our channel for as little as $1 a month and get early access to our regular videos. Or it doesn't cost you anything at all to give us a thumbs up, share on social media, subscribe, leave a comment below, and join us for our next 504 road trip.